and welcome to Season 2 of Lufthansa Runway to Success, a series in which India's successful men and women guide, inspire and mentor India's budding entrepreneurs. Let's call upon our first entrepreneur on the show. He is Ankit Prasad, founder, Touch Talent. Hi, Ankit.
So, touchtalent.com is a community of creative individuals where they come to showcase, appreciate and monetize their creativity. We have estimated there are 140 million creative content creators in this world who are looking for a platform where they can showcase their creativity and from where they can earn. So we have provided that kind of platform to them. So we define creativity as anything which is original and has come out of your imagination. As far as the competition is concerned, we are facing competition from 3 of the global companies in some of the major categories, like DeviantArt.com, which existed since 2000, even before Facebook existed. And we are also facing competition in some of the niche categories, like on photography, there is 500px, on design, it's Behance. But since we are providing a larger value proposition at a much cheaper cost, and therefore we have a very highly engaged community of creators as well as consumers. Therefore, we are quite confident that creators would prefer Touch Talent.
How many users do you have?
So we have more than 200,000 registered users on web and more than 500,000 downloads on Android.
How much is the revenue that you have now at this juncture?
We have generated a revenue of $6,000 for ourselves, but as far as our users are concerned, they are also earning through our platform, and we have helped them in selling more than $20,000 worth of transactions.
You monitor the transactions that happen through your...
the transactions happen through our platform for our users, both consumers.
But into the future, do you see charging a commission for the commerce that happens on your platform?
Yes, at this point of time it would be too early to say how much commission we would be charging and when we would be charging that, but yes, we would look forward to.
When do you break even?
So so we are breaking even in November 2015, and our target is to generate $300,000 from subscription revenue stream in this financial year, and in the next financial year we are estimated to generate around $4.5 million.
So 1 second, you've done $6,000, you're targeting $300,000. Is that?
Yes.
Okay, great. Thanks so much, Ankit.
Thank you so much, Ankit.
Thank you so much.
But let's start off with really the strengths and weaknesses of each participant's case that they presented.
I think that, on the strength side of it, the core idea which was presented by Ankit was a brilliant idea. It has a huge opportunity for growth. At the same time, he has also done quite a good homework in analyzing that how this business will run, what will be the revenue, and how the revenue can be generated.
Right.
Who is it that he's targeting to get the revenue from? So I'm quite impressed with the way that he